Hey guys, we're at the House of the Week at 3511 Banyan Road in Bartlett, Tennessee. And this is not only House of the Week, we also have an open house on Sunday from 2 to 4. And I look forward to seeing you there. So let's just have a quick little preview before you guys get here. One thing I love about this kitchen is just this oversized island. It's 5 by 8, so it's huge, and you can seat probably 5 to 6 people comfortably right along the front here. And it's perfect if you have kids or like you're entertaining and you want to be able to interact with people while you're cooking or prepping food or doing things like that. This area over here would be great for like appliances if you're like a coffee drinker or a tea drinker and want to have a coffee station. And as we come into the primary suite, you have a huge soaker's tub here, as well as a double shower that walks all the way through. So if you made it this far, then I need to know what's your thoughts on this house. Leave your opinions in the comments and let me know what boxes on your list does this house check and which ones are it lacking.